In the world of offices and workspaces, the desk is the heart of it all, where form meets function. Join us as we explore the diverse world of desks and discover the perfect fit for your needs. Executive Desk. First up, the Executive Desk, a symbol of sophistication and functionality. Crafted from high-quality materials like wood and exotic veneers, these desks boast ample storage and a decorative design. Ideal for high-ranking professionals, the Executive Desk creates a distinguished atmosphere, showcasing professionalism and dedication to efficiency. Standing Desk. Now, let's talk about the Standing Desk, a versatile and ergonomic option. Designed to promote better health, these desks allow users to switch between sitting and standing positions. Simple or modern in design, they not only alleviate back pain, but also boost productivity, preventing that afternoon slump. Writing Desk. The Writing Desk is a compact and classic option, perfect for writing and studying. With simplicity in design and minimalistic features, these desks are ideal for non-office spaces like bedrooms and living rooms, adding functionality without taking up too much space. Secretary Desk. The Secretary Desk is a distinctive blend of compact design and closed storage. With a hinged door that conceals the work area, these desks are unobtrusive and showcase sophistication. Perfect for those who value both form and function in their furniture. Vanity Desk. The Vanity Desk, also called a dressing table, is the perfect space for getting ready in the morning. Equipped with a mirror and under-the-table storage, like drawers or shelves, these desks are not just functional, but also stylish additions to bedrooms or dressing rooms. L-shaped Desk. The L-shaped desk is a space-saving design forming the letter L, providing ample work and storage space. It's perfect for those needing to designate multiple work areas or create a space-efficient office in the corner of a room. Wall Desk. The Wall Desk is a modern and compact option that fits against a wall. With a sleek design and fold-away surfaces, it's ideal for non-traditional office settings, maximizing available space. Bookshelf Desk. The Bookshelf Desk is a hybrid design combining a desk with integrated shelving, ideal for those who want to streamline their office, providing easy access to books, office supplies, or craft materials. Cabinet Desk. The Cabinet Desk seamlessly integrates a desk into a cabinet or armoire-like structure. With ample storage and a clean design, it's perfect for creating an unobtrusive work environment in living rooms or bedrooms. Corner Desk. Designed to snugly fit into 90-degree corners, the corner desk maximizes space. Versatile and suitable for small rooms, these desks are perfect for both home and commercial office use. Gaming Desk. For the avid gamers comes the Gaming Desk. With adjustable height, cable management, and ergonomic design, these desks ensure a comfortable, immersive, and organized gaming experience. Hutch Desk. The Hutch Desk combines the look of a hutch and desk. Known for vertical storage potential, it's ideal for busy areas like kitchens, providing ample space for organization. Loft Bed Desk. The Loft Bed Desk is a versatile and space-saving design combining a raised bed with an integrated desk. Perfect for small living spaces, including studio apartments and children's rooms. Drawing Desk. The Drawing Desk is designed for detailed drawing or drafting work, making it ideal for artists, engineers, and architects. With a height and angle adjustable workspace, it ensures a comfortable and effective working environment. Floating Desk. And finally, the Floating Desk. Wall-mounted or suspended, this desk creates a modern and minimalist aesthetic, ideal for those who prioritize a clean and contemporary look in bedrooms or study nooks.